How to share a file on Microsoft OneDrive with Bluetooth in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to OneDrive. This is the home page. Now choose the file that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now click on those three dots right here like this and click on the share option, the first one. Now scroll down until you find the Bluetooth option, and here is it right here. Now click on it and you will be able to share it through Bluetooth. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.